Alright, so let's turk. Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because I'm reviewing the new Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather collection. Can we just take a moment before we get into it to acknowledge how cute this whole packaging situation is? Like, so cozy. Of course, I'm wearing a sweater and trying not to sweat to death under these lights, but I mean, you can't really film a look using this without wearing a sweater, right? Alright, so the set comes with a mini eyeshadow palette. This is her first mini palette. Just very cute 6-pan palette, and it is all matte. So, little backstory on my relationship with Dominique Cosmetics. Kristen Dominique is not an influencer I followed. I wasn't a fan of hers. I didn't watch any of her videos. I honestly didn't know who she was. My bad. Anyway, I tried the latte palette because I got it on sale from Beauty Bay, maybe around the holidays last year, I think. Anyway, fell in love with her formula. Her mattes are some of the best. Anyway, that's when my love affair began with her brand. I have all of her eyeshadow palettes, and I actually just met her at Sephora in September, last month. And she was super sweet, so gorgeous, like super nice, just lovely, lovely person. But that being said, I still only buy her makeup, and I still don't watch her YouTube channel or videos. Nothing against her, I was never subscribed to her, and yeah, I do love her makeup though. All that to say, this isn't bias. I'm going into it like any other consumer would. I'm just judging the makeup and not the influencer behind it. So there's that. Anyway, so you get the palette and then two lippies. There is a mini matte liquid lipstick in the shade Cozy. And then this is a mini lip gloss in the shade Sugar and Spice. I love that she did minis. Full-size lip products take forever to go through, so this is awesome. I am just hoping I don't fall in love with this gloss though, because this is probably a limited edition. I'm going to start by going in with the shade Fuzzy, and I'm really hoping that this formula is the same as all of her other palettes. She just makes some good mattes, man. Her shimmers are nice too. I've only ever had problems with the ones in the Lemonade palette. They're just like really hard pressed. And then in her newest palette, the Celestial Storm palette, I didn't like all of those shimmers because some of them seem more like toppers, which I get. I would just rather have a shimmer than a topper, you know? So far this shade's blending very nicely. Next I'm gonna go in with the shade Cuddle. With the whole sweater weather thing, I just keep thinking of that Saturday Night Live sketch with like Amy Poehler and Maya Rudolph. Where they're like, sweater weather. Sweater weather.
Sweater weather. Sweater weather.
Sweater weather.
Oh, God, I would
Finally, sweater weather.
Just me? Okay. Next, I'm going to take Messy Bun. Oh, wow. I don't know why I was thinking this would be more of like a brown. It's like a deep violet plum. I don't know how I would describe this. It's beautiful. I wasn't expecting it to have a purple base. And now I'm pleasantly surprised. That's so nice. Oh, I guess I could actually talk about the palette and give you some stats so I don't have to do it at the end. Especially because I'll be blending this out for a while. Because I look crazy. I'm pretty sure she's just selling it on her website, dominiquecosmetics.com. It's retailing for $29, which, I mean, that's not a bad deal. Honestly, you're getting the mini palette with 6 pans, and they're, I mean, decent size. And then you're getting the 2 mini lip products. So I was totally fine with paying the $29 price point. If you're not, I mean, you know, that's all up to you. And then their shipping is actually really reasonable. I think for just standard shipping, it was less than $3. I know that. It was $2 and change. And then you can also use like affiliate codes. I know Trend Mood has one for 10% off. And then I think even when you're on the website, like they sent me a thing saying like, oh, get 10% off. I don't know if it was period or your first order. I've ordered from her website before, but I still got the offer to get 10% off. So I don't think it really mattered if it was your first time or not. So you can get 10% off. You can get the cheap shipping. Like seriously, less than $3 is awesome coming from someone who does not like to pay for shipping. Or if you're me, you pay like a couple dollars more for the 5-day shipping because I wanted it here as fast as possible. Even though I probably didn't have to do that because again, their shipping's cheap and it's really fast. Those are probably the only stats I actually know about it. The price, where to buy it, that's pretty good. The price and where to buy it. I mean, that's all you really need to know, right? all I know is being someone that's very amateur at makeup, but who loves makeup so much, I really appreciate having a formula that blends easily, and this is one of them. Period. Just so dang user friendly. Since I'm gonna come back to the outer corner anyway, I kind of want to mess with the lid. I'm just gonna cut a little bit of my crease out. Like seriously, the tiniest bit. I'll be honest, I haven't actually cut my crease at all for an all matte look, but there's a first time for everything. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to come back to the outer corner. I accidentally got some concealer there. I'm gonna go in with a brush first. I'm gonna use the shade Chill, which looks like the most beautiful lavender purple color ever. That is really pretty, but I'm gonna use my finger. I swear, she knows I love purple shadow. She must. I think this is the shade that is gonna draw most people in. Because I mean, you look at these 4 shades and pretty neutral. You could find similar tones in most palettes, but not all palettes have this beautiful bright lavender. And then that messy bun shade on the end, that totally took me by surprise with that purple base. It's gorgeous. Unexpectedly gorgeous. Now let's go fix what we messed up. And by we, I mean me, because it was my fault. All right, I am gonna take Messy Bun, and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. All right, I'm gonna go in with Chill. I'm just blending those two together. This is just going really bad. I picked up my dirty one of these thinking it was my clean one, and I just... Okay, I'll figure that out in a minute. I'm taking Messy Bun, and I'm gonna stamp it along my lash line as if it were liner. Okay, as bad as the dirty brush screwed me over, I think I'm pulling it together. I think it's gonna be okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this before I mess it up again. It's not that bad. Let's put on some mascara and then I'll come back to do the lips. I lied real quick before doing lips. I'm gonna just put a little inner corner highlight. Okay, all right, so for lips, we do have 2 options. This liquid lipstick isn't gonna match this look, but for the sake of the review and to give you my honest feedback on it, I'm gonna try it. What did I shade? Okay, the shade is Cozy. The littlest doe foot. Oh, it smells great. Oh. Okay. So where I can say I'm a huge fan of her eyeshadow formula, this liquid lipstick is not the one for me. Oh, God. Okay, so obviously it's more of a berry shade, and a lot of my berry shades go on patchy. It's just how it is. So obviously it's super patchy. It's wanting to bleed, which I don't have a lip liner on, but I wasn't planning on using one. I don't use them a lot. The color is pretty and it smells amazing, like vanilla frosting goodness. But yeah, it's not a comfortable formula. Like my lips, I don't like this. I'm gonna take it off and put the gloss on. One thing I will say about this liquid lipstick formula, it is hard as hell to get off with a wet wipe, so I bet it stays on all day. Okay, that's all of the liquid lipstick I can get off with this baby wipe. Oh my God, my poor lips. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Sugar and Spice gloss. I have used her glosses before and I do like them, so hopefully it's the same delicious vanilla scent. Oh. I was not expecting so much pigment. Alright, so here's the bad thing about the gloss. I can't tell what it really looks like because my lips are just beat to hell from that lipstick. But this is the same formula as her other glosses. It's more like a lip oil. It's not sticky at all. Beautiful shine, beautiful scent, very nice gloss. Hopefully you can get the idea with this permanent dark ring around my lips right now. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. What do we think? I think all things considered, it's cute. The eyeshadow palette itself, very nice. I used 4 out of the 6 shades and all 4 blended beautifully. No problems there. I did not use the 2 more taupey brown shades, but I will. I think they go with the color story great. I think it's a very nice color selection. This Messy Bun shade, like I said, really took me by surprise, and God, chill, whew, love it. Very nice, travel-friendly palette, same beautiful matte formula. Big win on this. As you guys saw, I did not enjoy the liquid lipstick. This just is not one of my favorite formula. I mean, it's not even in my top. I don't know. I'm not a liquid lipstick girl. I have so many of them, but the older I'm getting, the less patience I have for them. I like something just creamy. I like a lipstick, satin lipstick, or a gloss, really. That's my preference, but yeah, even if I did like liquid lipstick, this wasn't it. The gloss, however, lovely. Love the gloss, love the scent, love the look. It's very pretty. So for 29 bucks, I'm very happy with this collection. I am curious to know though, if you plan on picking it up, or if you did pick it up, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, that's all I've got for you guys today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!